Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company to have for you a 2023 Kubota SVL75-2 rubber track skid steer loader. This unit has 302 hours on it. It is a cab, heat, air, pilot control, high flow, 2-speed. This unit was part of a dealer's demo and rental fleet machines. This unit will have full warranty that started on 2/11 of 24 this year and will be good until 2/11 of 2026. And that's a bumper-to-bumper 2-year warranty. We'll have admissions until 2/11 of 2029. This is again, cab, heat, air, high flow, power quick attach 2-speed. It is a wide track. And again, it does have full warranty. It even has a 14-pin attachment control device on it. We did go ahead and service this machine. I changed all the filters and oils in it. We did go ahead and mark the hubs. We did the final oil. We're going to walk you around the machine and show you all about it. Again, it comes with a factory full new warranty. There is one little ding right down here at the bottom of the door, or scratch I should say. Under the hood, going to be powered by a Kubota 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. Again, we did do a full service. All filters and oils have been changed. It is a very, very clean machine, and it is ready to go to work. Kind of hard to complain on something that does have factory warranty, but that one decal has a couple scratches in it, a couple little light scratches on the boom. Does have your 14-pin case drain. You've got your high flow here. You got your standard flow here. Factory Kubota 74-inch bucket with bolt-on cutting edge and side cutters. Power quick attach. Does have the nice overhead door. Handles are nice and straight. Want to take you inside the cab here and we'll show you about the machine. Hop up here. Now, on the Kubota, they will go up and latch. You do have a little handle right here. It's going to release that, okay? I'll take you inside and show you. It does have the high back suspension seat. Started here for you. 302 hours. You're going to have over here your release, parking brake, auxiliary hydraulic, high flow, cab lights, throttle, foot throttle, horn, power quick attach. Underneath you're going to have your cab heat air, joystick machine. Obviously, get the camera back to Matt. Listen, this machine starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by. Again, it is a machine that is under full warranty. It is a 2023 and it was sold new and it is in my name, Nicholas Miller. Long story short, we can change the warranty right over to you. And again, it is a 300-hour machine. It has a bumper-to-bumper warranty. So we're going to fire it up, run it around, show you what it's supposed to do. These doors on these Kubotas is an absolute beautiful system. Works great. I love the overhead door. It's something that's very, very nice. All right, we're going to take this machine, we're going to run it around and show you what it's supposed to do. Here we go. Visibility is really nice. I like these machines. They are a tank of a little loader. We've owned a bunch of them. Again, we really like them. Very smooth on your pilot. going to go ahead and unhook the quick attach for you. That's all there is to that. 74 horse machine. You don't have any 75 horse. You have no urea on a machine like this, which is nice. When you're rehooking your bucket, always look underneath at your quick attach. Make sure those pins are dropped. Guys, there you have it. 2023 Kubota SVL75-2, 302 hours. Has full warranty on it until 2/11 of 26, and then you have admissions warranty. I believe that was until 29. We have it all in the ad. Factory Kubota bucket, 300-hour high flow, pilot control, 2-speed machine. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.